Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're going to talk about finding the domain of a function. Now, what is a domain? The domain of a function is a set of numbers that can go in a given function. And that basically means a set of x values that are put into any given equation. Now, if you look at the examples in front of you, those are all functions with a fraction with a variable in the denominator. Now, to find the domain of these type of functions, you have to set the bottom equal to 0 and exclude the x values you find when you solve the equations. Now keep in mind that x can be absolutely any value, except the value that's going to produce a 0 in the denominator. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and solve the equations. For the first equation here, we have x minus 3 in the denominator. So all we got to do is set the denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. X eventually is going to give us 3. To write this on a number line, we just draw a straight line like this. Put the 3. And let's not forget to put an open circle here. The open circle here means that the domain, the number in the domain is not included. And to write this in interval notation, this is going to give us negative infinity to 3 union 3 to infinity. And that's it. Moving on, we have 3 minus 2x equals 0. Now subtract 3 from both sides. We're going to get negative 2x is equal to negative 3. And if we divide negative 2 on each side, we're going to end up with x equal 3 over 2. Now to do the same, we're going to write 3 over 2 here on the number line. Let's not forget to add the open circle. And then to write this in interval notation, this is going to give us negative infinity to 3 over 2 union 3 over 2 to infinity. Now for the last example, we just did the exact same thing. Notice how we have a polynomial here. To factor this, we have to figure out two numbers that multiply to give us 6, and then when you add them, it'll give us 1, the coefficient here for x. The two numbers I can think of are negative 2 and 3. So let's begin by writing this whole thing equal to 0. Then we have x minus 2 times x plus 3 equal to 0. This means that x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Now constructing our number line, we have 2 and 3 with open circles, and then the domain is defined for all real numbers except for 2 and 3. And in interval notation, this is going to be negative infinity to 2 union, I'm running out of space here, so let me try to move the camera a little bit. There we go. We have negative infinity to 2 union all real numbers between 2 and 3, so 2 to 3, and then union again 3 to infinity. So that's all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And we'll see you in the next video.